Hey everyone! If you're trying to create an account on the UpScrolled app and don't know where to start, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step. Just follow along carefully and you'll be set up in a few minutes. First, open the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone or the App Store if you're on an iPhone. Tap the search icon at the bottom right, then tap the search bar at the top and type UpScrolled. When the app appears, download it and wait for the installation to finish. Once it's installed, open the app. As soon as the app opens, you'll see the welcome screen. From here, tap on Create Account to get started. This will take you to the registration page. Now enter the name you want to use, your email address, and your date of birth. Make sure all the information is correct, then tap Next. On the next screen, you'll be asked to create a password. Choose a strong and secure password that follows the rules shown on the screen. After entering your password, tap Next, and then tap Next again to continue. Now, UpScrolled will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Wait a few seconds, open your email inbox, find the message, and copy the code. Go back to the app, enter the code, and tap Verify to confirm your email. After your email is verified, you'll be asked to choose a unique username or handle. Pick a username you like, then tap Sign Up. And that's it. Your UpScrolled account has been successfully created. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.